Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to IMAP Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange Migration Software migrates mailbox data from Exchange servers to IMAP servers, making it suitable for organizations transitioning their email systems. Users can transfer emails, folders, etc. from various Exchange server versions, including 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007, to platforms like Gmail, Zoho, Zimbra, iSwarp, cPanel, and Rackspace. With advanced features like incremental data transfer and automatic mailbox mapping, the migration process becomes quick and straightforward. Users can enjoy the flexibility of selective data migration, allowing them to choose exactly what to transfer, while concurrent mailbox migration enables multiple mailboxes to be moved simultaneously. Additionally, the customized target folder selection feature ensures that data is organized precisely as desired. With EdbMails, Exchange to IMAP migration is a smooth and reliable experience. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process for Exchange to IMAP migration. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Live Exchange Migration. Select Live Exchange to IMAP Migration. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Next to continue. Click Add New Connection to connect to the source Exchange server. Select the required connection options. Click Next to continue. Enter the source Exchange server details. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Next to continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the source Exchange server. Click Next to continue. Select the required option to connect to the target IMAP server. Click Next to continue. Click Download Sample CSV file. Select the location to save sample.csv file. Open the downloaded CSV file, add multiple mailbox details, and save it. Click Browse CSV file. Select the modified CSV file. Click Open. Click Next to continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. Click Start Migration. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click View Logs button to get the migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free Exchange to IMAP migration, visit edbmails.com today.